So at the word wall there, okay, we got 3 different words up there now. Okay, there's quotient, dividend, and divisor. Does anybody know what quotient means? What does quotient mean, Drew?
Like the number that's like the answer.
The answer to what?
The problem.
What problem?
The division problem.
Of division. So quotient is the answer to division problems. Okay, dividend and divisor we'll talk about here shortly. Okay, but those will be up there. They deal with division. Okay, so all those words up there, we've encountered them already. So we're up to 8 words already, and it's only been a few weeks. Okay, it's just going to keep filling up more and more. All right, so now on that blue piece of paper, what I want you to write first is rules for division. Rules for division, just like that. Rules for division. The first thing you're going to write is if the dividend is even, like 212, like that's my example. So if the dividend is even, like 212, it means it's divisible by 2.
What does that mean? After the V in division.
If the dividend is even, like 212, means divisible by 2. Okay, the next one is talking about divisible by 3. So divisible by 3. That's supposed to be L. So we're talking about divisible by 3. So if it's even, it's divisible by 2. You can divide the 2 out anytime. Now, this one's where it gets a little weird. Okay, it gets a little complicated. Divisible by 3 is you have to add the numbers up. So like 312. We're going to add those up. They might know what when you add those up, what I mean by that is you do 3 plus 1 plus 2. What is that? How much is that? 6. Because of that, if they add up to a multiple of 3, you can divide by 3. So what I mean by that, we did 312. You add those up. 3 plus 1 plus 2, that equals 6. Can you divide 6 by 3? Can you do 6 divided by 3? Yes. So then this is divisible by 3. It's just a little rule slash kind of shortcut that you can take. It helps you things out. And now we're going to talk about divisible by 5. So is it divisible by 5? Does anybody have an idea what that means? What is the rule for divisible by 5, Ada? Exactly. If the dividend must end with a 5 or 0 to be divisible by 5, you gotta, the number has to end with 5 or 0. There's no real quick shortcuts or tricks to 4. There's nothing really for 6. So after this, the last one is divisible by 10, and that has to end with.
I know a trick with 9.
What's the trick with 9?